Hi there, once again welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a fire video text effect like this using Canva. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. Remember to subscribe if today is your first time. Let's jump right into this. So log into Canva and then let's go to video. So click on video. From video, we're actually going to use the 920 by 1080 pixels. So I'm going to click on this. If you want to do for mobile version, then you can use the mobile video. But for now, let's go with this. Now let's go ahead and then change the background color to black. So click on the background color. Then let's pick a dark color. Okay, so let's go ahead and then go to elements. And now we're going to look for frame. So let's search for text frame. So when you type text frame, whatever text you want to do, you can just go ahead. So I want to type fire. So I'm just going to type text frame F. So when I click on this or when I search for this, just scroll down or switch to the frames tab. Just switch here and you can see the letter F. Whatever letter you want to use over here, the F, whichever style you want, just pick it. I'm going to pick this one and then just place it here. So fire, I'll just change this one and then look for I. The I, I'm just going to pick that one as well, whichever you want to use. Just reposition this on your timeline like that, and then I'll go ahead and then look for R. So let's just go that. Let's just do that, and then I'm going to place it side by side until I'm done. So I want E. So this is actually going to give me fire. So this is basically what I want. So this should give you something like this. So this is actually our frame, and then we are going to put in the fire text effect. So let's go ahead, and then we can now still remain at element and search for red smoke. So just type red smoke, and then we are going to switch to the video tab. Just switch to the video tab, and this is going to give us this kind of smoke. You can just put your cursor on it and just it's going to give you a preview of how this is going to look like. We're actually just going to go through, just pick any one that you feel like will be okay for you. In my case, I think I prefer this one, so I'm going to pick this one. Just drag it on top of the text one after the other. Just drag it and put them on top, just one after the other. So just go ahead and then do that. So this is how it's going to look like. You can actually double click on this and then even resize this. So it all depends on how you want your fire to appear inside your text. So I can actually go ahead and then resize this and then just reposition this, and then I'll do that for all. So if I go back and then try playing this, so when you are done with everything, just go ahead and then preview this. You can see basically this is how it's going to look, the final work. This is a preview of it. We're going to have our text and then the fire will just appear to be burning inside. So basically this is how to create a very simple text frame inside Canva using this video effect. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to turn on post notifications. I'll come your way again. Bye bye.